Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanshopalama. Tonight on Imbewu, Makosazana offered to help Mzwandile get revenge on Zetulele. She sent the message to Mzwandile that shows that Zetulele and Sbongile will be on the harbor. What is intends to be a romantic dinner turn into a night of surprise when Sbongile reveals to Zetulele that she is pregnant with his child. And it seems like Zetulele is happy to hear that. While on the moment got a shoot from Zandile, but Zetulele tries to run and reveals his gun and shoots it back. And it seems like Mzwandile and Zetulele are tremble. Pangele takes Nomsa and Tushelin through two phase into order to success complete ukwethwebula ritual. And it seems like Tusheleni is scared, but Nomsa give the brave on the ukuthwebula ritual. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for thanks.